25 floors up, 25 floors down, until we hit the ground. Take the stairs, take the